today I want to do an unboxing video on the Freemie Independence breast pump. So I got this breast pump in the mail from my insurance company, and I'm excited to see what's inside. Let's check it out. Alright, so you open up the box and you have a user manual, tips and tricks page in here as well, how to clean your parts. So a couple pages there. You have quick tips sheet on how to put your breast cups together. And then you have your breast cups. So let's see. These just pop open. You have your flange. This flange is the piece that your nipple goes into, and it's 25 millimeters. So you have two of those. This pump does also come with a 28 millimeter flange. It doesn't come with it, but it's available for purchase. Then you have these three other parts. So every time you pump, I would at least rinse it, wash it every few times, but make sure and give it a good rinse. If you're pumping multiple times a day, definitely wash it every day. And then there is an arrow at the top here, and you just pop it in and it goes in like that. Each cup does hold 8 ounces, so you can get a total of 16 ounces per pump. So that's those. Freemie gives you a drawstring bag to carry all your items in. There is a connector here, which I'll show you how that works in just a second. And then your tubing. So the bag says this is a closed system pump. Bags obviously don't keep them around your kids. So there are 3 tubes here. 3, you ask, why? 2 of the tubes obviously go into each cup. 1 goes into each. And then that's why they give you that connector. So the 2 tubes go into the connector, and then the 1 tube goes out the other side of the connector. The reason why they have it set up this way is because the way the motor is set up. So the last little piece that's in the box is another box, which has your motor and your charger. It comes with a cord and a plug. So let's check out the motor. So the motor has a clip, so you can put it onto your waist. And the motor only has 1 port for tubing. That's why they have that connector. So if you are pumping just on 1 breast, you can get rid of the connector and plug it directly into the pump motor. But if you're going to do both breasts at the same time, you need that connector. Alright, so let's take a look. So there's 3 memory settings. There's speed and suction adjustments. The speed, there are 11 different speeds you can adjust it to, and there's 10 different suction settings. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. This is battery operated. It tells you your battery indicator right here. I can actually feel the motor moving. The blue light is for your speed, so it's going really fast right now. I don't know if you can see that, but the blue light. And then the pink light is for your suction, so how strong you want it to suck. I always say start slow, start low, work your way up. It does take your breasts a while to get used to an artificial suck, not like your child's. I'm gonna turn it off. So that's everything that comes in your packaging. Based on experience, I used the Medela Pump and Style Advanced with my first son, which is a very strong pump, but it is stationary. With this one, you can be mobile, so you can be doing the dishes, helping your kids with homework, or driving I mean, I've even had friends that told me they've gone grocery shopping with them in and nobody even knew. All right, so just a quick recap on what comes inside. You're gonna have your handy dandy user manual, a wonderful on-the-go bag for all your pump parts, your motor with a belt clip, and this is detachable. Your 2 breast cups with flanges and all your parts inside, 3 tubes with your connector, and then your charge cord. So that's all that comes in the Freemie Independence breast pump. After I've used it a couple times, I will do another video on tips and tricks, pros and cons, and give you guys my honest feedback. So thank you so much for watching the DL with All Things Girly, Dana and Lacey. My name's Lacey. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your support. If you like what you've seen, please like our video and share with your friends. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys later.